Get ready. 5 seconds to go. Start. Before adverting to the facts of the case, we find that it would be appropriate to first examine the scope of the relevant provisions in brief as contained in the Recovery of Debts and Bankruptcy Act 1993, herein after referred to as Recovery Act 1993, Securitization and Reconstruction of Financial Assets and Enforcement of Security Interest Act 2002, herein after referred to as Securitization Act 2002 and Central Excise Act 1944. The Recovery Act 1993 was enacted with the object and decision that the banks and financial institutions were experiencing considerable difficulties in recovering loans and enforcement of securities charged with them. There had been sizable dispute and litigation where the banks were claiming priority of charge and their entitlement to recover their secured debts from the secured assets duly mortgaged to them, which claims of government departments Crown's debt acting in tune with the object of the Act 1993. The legislature had finally set the controversy at rest by inserting Section 31B in the Recovery Act 1993 by Enforcement of Security Interest and Recovery of Debts Law Amendment Act 2006, herein after referred to as Amendment Act 2016, and he said provisions came into force on 1st September 2016. Section 13B and Section 34 of the Recovery Act 1993 read as under: priority to secured creditors, notwithstanding anything contained in any other law for the time being in force. The rights of secured creditors to realize secured debts due and payable to them by sale of assets over which security interest is created shall have priority and shall be paid in priority over all other debts and government dues, including revenues, taxes, cesses, and rates due to the central government, state government, or local authority. Explanation: for the purposes of this section, it is thereby clarified that on or after the commencement of the Insolvency and Bankruptcy Code 2016, in cases where insolvency and bankruptcy proceedings are pending in respect of secured assets of the borrowers, priorities to secured creditors in payments of debt shall be subject to the provisions of that code. Stop. Act to have overriding effect. Stop. Save as provided under subsection 2. The provisions of this act shall have effect notwithstanding anything inconsistent therewith contained in any other law for the time being in force or in any instrument having effect by virtue of any law other than this act. Full stop.